If your Linux server still allows password authentication over SSH, you're making it easier than it should be for bots to attack you. Every public server on the internet gets scanned constantly. Port 22 is one of the most targeted ports in the world. And in this video, I'm going to show you on the proper way to secure SSH using key-based authentication and safely disable password login. When you enable password authentication, the attacker can try to brute force your credentials using a variety of guessed username, and usually they will try root as well because that is the most commonly allowed users. And they will try leak password databases. So if one of the password is leaked, they will obviously try that and see if they can get into your systems. And of course, they will spam login attempts nonstop. And this has been proven. If you look at how many IP has been banned from my other servers on fail to ban. So the correct approach is to use SSH keys. So what you want to do is if you're using terminals like me, you can go to vaults, you can go to keychain, and you can create a new key by key and then generate key. You can label the key any key. So in this tutorial, I'm just gonna do tutorial, and then I'll usually suggest ED25519 because that's the most secure. You can use a password if you want, and then just click generate and save. Another way you can do it is by using Microsoft PowerShell. So what you want to do is you want to bring up PowerShell and just do SSH dash keygen, and then using key ed25519 C, and then followed by email address. And then just click default to save your key. And now it has been saved. So how you can find it is you want to go to File Manager, there's PC, local disk, users, yourself, and then you should be find a folder called .ssh, and here is your public key and your private key. So now you back to your system, you want to make sure your systems knows the key. So what you want to do is you want to do .nano.ssh and then /authorize keys. And you want to put in your key here. Now Control X, and then you want to save, and now you have your keys authorized by the system. So now you want to actually get to disabling the password authentication for your SSH. So what you want to do, you want to go to nano/etc SSH and then SSH deconfig. And what you want to look for is permit root login. I would suggest to make it prohibit password. And what you want to do, you want to do W, and then you want to search for password. As you see, password authentication is yes, and comment out, you want to uncomment, and you want to set it to no. And then save it. And there you go. So this is how you disable password authentication on your SSH.